wait for it to finish loading. See the loading bar.
All right, here we are picking up a car from Carvana. Wait, hold on, son.
Nope, he's good. She's ready.
Wait. All right, let's get everybody in there. All right. Y'all ready? Okay. Whoa.
I wonder what happened.
Sometimes there will be a delay, but in just a
Do
second.
we see it from somewhere like outside?
So the base here is going to rise up to the top to get the vehicle, and it'll bring the vehicle to the base of the tower because it'll be here. We've got the live feed.
Oh, you got a feed there. Cool. Look at this, guys. Emma, step down from that, please. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Back out. Just going to reload it once.
Your bag of chips is stuck, Carmen. Stuck. Emma, get down from there.
Let's just shake it.
Carmen.
Hopefully the right one will come out.
Did you push the button?
It's going!
Oh, look, there it goes. All right, what do you think it's going to get us? Do we get Doritos or Lay's potato chips? What is it?
There it is, coming on that left-hand side. That burgundy color
We don't want
How are you?
Well, good. Looks like it's
Oh, look at that.
That's our car. It is black.
No, I didn't get you another black car.
I think it's red.
Didn't Mommy want something silver?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Look, here it comes. Look at this.
A red car like you wanted.
That's pretty neat.
That's a cool looking car. Mom, come get a good look. Come on.
Don't think about my car. Don't even think about it.
What do you guys think about that? Here it comes.
Don't think about
Hey,
it.
step over there and look. A little quieter, please. Step over there.
best Easter present ever.
That's a big Easter basket.
So has it ever dropped a car?
Thankfully not. Thankfully not. They have gotten stuck, not permanently, but momentarily, but thankfully nothing's come to
Me.
You have to stick your hand
And
in.
hey, do not touch the glass, please. Please don't touch that. They have to clean that, okay? What do you think? Looks good?
Looks great.
You like that one? That's pretty cool.
Huge.
I want it. Look at it, Mommy. It's coming.
Now, does this just drop it off at our house?
Hop on in, auto drive all the way.
Oh, look, it turned.
That's our vending
Pretty
machine
neat.
2.0.
It's see.
Please keep your hands off the glass, please.
And face off the glass too. Wow.
Pop into one of those bays, and once those bags
Huh.
are shut, the front doors will open, and we can go around. You guys can check it out.
We need something like that at home for the motorcycles.
No. No, that would encourage you to get more.
I want to go around.
Wait a minute, don't go out yet. Keep watching.
That's pretty neat.
Mommy, look, it's coming on this side.
I think that's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool.
All right, look, a new car. You push the right button.